Loves! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the interviews of Beanie before sila mag-Coachella, or I think katatapos lang nila mag-perform sa Coachella. So, dahil sobrang busy natin, hindi ko rin siya napanood at ngayon lang tayo hahabol at panonoorin yung mga hindi natin napanood. Simulan na natin to. Sobrang late ko na. Ay! Sobrang late niya na. Pero syempre hindi natin palalagpasin lahat ng to. So Beanie talks about being the first Filipino girl group to perform at Coachella. Okay? I think tapos na yung weekend one nila dito. So, let's do this. Billboard News. Oh, right.
Literally fresh off their Coachella set. How's it feeling, ladies?
Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. You know,
Hey.
Coachella has always been a dream as a group, and to be able to perform at Mojave stage, it feels, wow, it's overwhelmingly exciting. I feel over the moon,
Hey.
and yeah,
I like that
thank you,
tattoo.
Lord. Thank you to our blooms, and of course, thank you, Tetris.
Oh my God, no, don't thank me. I mean, literally, guys, I love that it was also historic as well. You know, the first Filipino girl group to do that.
Wait, weekend ko yan ah.
How was that history-making moment? I love seeing your
Joke lang,
emotion on
one
stage.
yun.
Well, of course, we are so happy. We're grateful for that historical moment. It's not always that we get to be on the Coachella stage, you know. It's like we're carrying this torch wherein
course.
all the Filipinos, Filipino by blood, by heart,
Right.
all the young kids who look up to us are so happy seeing us on stage, and we are also happy. Our younger selves, our little kids inside are so happy because you know we get to bring that light to everybody.
Hey. Naka-proud. Lalo na kinanta nila Carrera. Ay, sinong hindi umiyak?
Honestly, of course, you guys still look amazing, which is crazy after a Coachella set.
So, these are their feats. Alam ko, after nila mag-perform, nanood din sila ng other performances ng ibang artists. So, right? I like their feats.
So, but tell me, what was the most interesting part of being on stage? Like, did anything stick out in your mind of that was crazy?
Always slay.
I think the unexpected ad libs. Like, it's not everything is rehearsed, like the way you interact with your co-members or with the crowd. It's something that is very true and humanizing, because I'm living this moment, I'm performing right now. So yeah, I think that's the best feeling that I've
And
had.
also the crowd. We
Yeah.
did not expect a big crowd because
Mm-hmm.
it's too early. And when we saw the crowd, we were so excited, and we can't wait to step on that stage.
Hey.
To me personally, I was also surprised during the time when they sang and vibed with us during our Out of My Head performance.
Right.
It was very unexpected, and also during our Carrera where they also waved their
Aww.
hands,
They're
clapped,
clapping.
raising the flag.
Yes, not just that. Seeing them raising our Philippine flag, you know, it made. Yes.
No, I'm like,
that
oh my
was
God, don't
my
leave me over here.
reaction
Yeah.
earlier. It just made us more proud, you know, to be Filipino. Because everywhere we go, there's a Filipino
Right.
who support you always in all ways.
Hey.
Oh, that's so beautiful. And I mean, somebody mentioned how it was early, right?
Yeah.
But I think that's a good thing because now that you perform early on Friday, you have the rest of the weekend.
Of
to
course.
enjoy yourself. So tell me,
To
who are you guys
watch.
excited to see for the rest of Coachella?
Of course, Sabrina Carpenter,
Yes.
Justin Bieber,
Hey.
Pink Panther is leaving.
Cat's
Cat's
Eye.
Eye.
Got my shirt on, you know. Love my girls.
Everyone.
I hope we see everyone.
Oh my God, I love that for you guys. Have fun. So much fun, right? And also, you guys are going to get honored from us in a little bit with our Global Force Award at Women in Music. So how's that feel
Alright.
for you guys?
It's a big honor for us. It's a huge honor, and we dreamed about it, but we never assumed. You know, we just focused on.
You didn't
our work,
expect that
show
award.
after show, song after song, and to be recognized, to be seen this way now. We're just grateful. We're just grateful, and we just want to release more songs and inspire people. That's it. Thank
Nice
you.
one.
Well, you're definitely a group of powerful women, but you did say release more songs.
Yes.
So, what
Actually,
can you tell us
we
about
just
music?
We just did yesterday.
Yesterday.
We just released another EP called Signals. It has 6 songs with different, with different emotions, different feelings, different vibes. Yes, so you must check it out.
Hey.
Yes.
Yes, Signals of Love. Well, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy Coachella schedule to talk to us. Thank you so much, guys.
I love that.
Thank you.
Love that. Thank you, Billboard. So, may isa pang interview na nahanap. And let's watch this. Oh, it's from ABS. So, syempre, panoorin din natin yon. Wait a minute. Let's do this.
Girls,
April 18.
congratulations! Grabe!
Ito yung after weekend
Ano
2
pa ba?
performance nila.
Thank you, Lord. Opo, parang actually hindi ko na nga alam kanina bago kami tumuntong ng stage, hindi na po namin alam kung
Patanggalin mo raw, Slap.
hindi namin alam kung ano, hindi
Ang
namin
Josie
alam kung
talaga.
nakabahan ba kami or ano kasi last week sobrang kabado talaga kami. Pero eto feeling ko mas gusto namin mag-enjoy na lang din talaga on stage. Pero may kaba pa rin. Pero feeling ko naman na-feel naman yun ng audience kanina. Hopefully.
Who else?
That
Papatak ko sa isip
you
ko.
really did enjoy your performance. Ay, ayun na si Mika.
Ako po, mas kinabahan ako today for some reason compared to last weekend. Because I feel like yun nga, now that more people are curious about us, na parang, oh, who's that girl group? Beanie. And so it's like, shucks, are they gonna, parang mas dumami pa yung eyes who are looking at us and ang daming expectations and standards to meet. And our bosses were also here to and watch
Oh,
us.
that's
And even
why.
the other ABS-CBN artists, they went and watched. And yeah, grabe yung pressure and grabe yung iyak ko today.
Yes. She's the winner.
I'm the
Mitch,
winner.
before I go to the others, witness ko kasi umiyak ka kay Enzo kanina.
Aww.
Kuya Enzo. Iyak sila. Iyak na naman siya.
Astig lang yan, pero sabi nga nila, iyakin din ang Bobby na yan. Ay! Ayun na naman siya.
Hindi guys, umiyak na
Naiyak na naman siya, wag ganyan.
si Stack sa akin. Sabi niya, pwede bang makikuya? Tapos umiyak talaga siya.
Umiyak din pala si Stako.
Pero yun nga, like, I feel like for all of us girls, our weakness is really family.
Mhm.
So the fact that
Right.
he was able to watch me, like, represent the rest of my family members.
Agay!
Hina, agay.
Mother, panic to her.
Pati si SMQ na iyak.
Tapos na ako.
Proud moment lang talaga.
Yeah, it's a very proud moment
He's
for me and my
very
brother.
happy.
And then my brother akala ko nga tumatawa siya pero
Umiyak na rin.
na rin pala siya. Tapos we were like saying like, why are you crying? Ayun talaga,
Aww.
ako yung kasi yung bunso ng family and ako yung pinakaunang humiwalay sa family rin. So, for him to see me on that stage, it must have felt everything to him.
Yeah, they are so proud of you, Mix.
Kaninong idea yung pagpapakilala with different dialects? That
Naiyak
was
tuloy.
wonderful.
Idea po yun ni Coach Mickey.
Nice! Ang galing talaga ni Coach Mickey. Sobrang panalo yung mga ideas niya. I love that. So perfect.
Actually, nung una kasi, gine-joke namin yun sa practice. Tapos sabi niya, oh, why not? Gawin natin yan, ganito, ganyan. So, ayun, ginawa namin siya. And grabe, goosebumps talaga. Lahat ng tao nag-chichi talaga
Yes!
kapag nagpapakilala kami. And sobrang ganda din. Sobrang ganda ng representation na yun sa buong Pilipinas
Correct.
talaga. Na ipakilala kung saan talaga kami galing.
True.
Finally, we saw the flag.
Yes! Oh my God, hindi namin alam. Hindi namin alam na ganun pala siya kalaki.
Buong screen.
Kasi ang sinabi lang sa amin ni Coach Mickey.
Tinanong tayo eh.
Tinanong tayo.
Kung kailan namin gusto lumabas yung Philippine flag.
Oo.
Tapos sabi namin,
So they are really planning na ilabas talaga yung Philippine flag. They're so proud of being a Filipino. Come on.
attending coach right after we jump, after ng Bini na logo, may Philippine flag. Tapos kaya pa after ng set namin, nag-iiyakan lahat ng tao. Actually, ibang members din.
Iba kasi talaga feeling na makikita mo yung Philippine flag na lumabas doon sa likod ng girls. Come on, sino di maiiyak?
Opo, pagtingin namin
So proud.
sa video, sa picture, sobrang ganda pala tignan. Kaya like, kahit ako, maiyak talaga ako, lalo na pag andun ako nanonood.
Nakita niyo ba mas maraming flags ngayon sa audience?
Yes!
Diba? Napansin niyo yun? Aloy, napansin mo ba siya?
Opo, like actually nasa backstage pa lang kami. May mga nasisilip na kami na talagang naririnig namin may mga tao talaga na winawagayway ang flag ng Philippines.
Right.
So, sobrang nakaka-proud lang as Filipino na alam mo yon, may mga tao talagang handang sumuporta sa amin. And yun nga, representation really matters talaga na makita yung kapwa Pinoy who made it to the global stage. Sobrang nakaka-proud as Pinoy and wala.
Uy, naulo.
Sobrang swerte namin and sobrang grateful kami to have this opportunity.
Yay.
And also,
Gusto ko yung nangaagaw na ng
gusto rin
mic.
namin mag-thank you sa mga
Si
kapamilya
Gwen.
na nagpunta po. Like, sina Miss Ann Curtis, Sir Piolo, Kyle, and other ABS-CBN artists na talagang nag-fly pa po sila. Si Miss Ann daw galing pang New York. Tapos lumipad pa si Miss Maha.
Kwento siya
Yes.
kanina kasi mataas yung boots ni Miss Anne. So, galing siya New York. So, hinabol niya. Like, tumatakbo siya. And naabutan niya, I think, yung second set. Di niya naabot. Po?
She was crying sa gilid.
Opo, sabi rin niya, she was crying. Grabe.
How about that tanggal ng damit? Na perfect yun na!
Yes, and yes, and nakita na siya ng as in kaming 8 na yung nagtanggal and sabay-sabay natanggal. Sobrang smooth, sobrang galing natin, girl.
Sabi po!
Kinabahan
Yun
sila
talaga-
doon.
Yun talaga yung kinakabahan kami, yung part na yun.
Diba?
Including si Ate Ice talaga, kinakabahan ako habang nagtatahi siya. Kasi yun talaga yung pinakamahirap na part, crucial part talaga. Pero it turns out na it's so smooth, it was so smooth. And actually, mas madali yung pagtanggal natin ngayon kasi compared to week 1.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Correct.
Yes, thank you din sa besties kasi kahit 7 sila, nakayanan nilang tanggalin talaga yun. So, congrats to us.
Okay. Aya, where do we go from here?
Oh
di
my
ba?
gosh.
Airbnb.
Uwi. Kain po. Well, we have we have Grammys and Billboard.
Hey!
There's that. And then after that, we're gonna go home to the Philippines!
Aw, excited sila umuwi.
Miss na namin family and friends namin.
Oo.
And parang excited din kami umuwi kasi may look forward kami na, we bring the pride na yung lahat, especially pag makita namin yung team na wala dito, like sila coaches namin iba, and other team po, and syempre family namin kasi matagal kami yan dito. And then hopefully
Isang buwan din yun.
it's not the end for us here at sa Coachella.
Of course.
Sana
Bigger
sana
stage.
bigger stage. Kung
Sana
anong
naman
bibigay na
makaranas
blessing,
yan.
tatanggapin namin. Kahit same, pero, it's Coachella.
At
Yeah.
malay nyo, pagbalik namin, may iba na kaming kasamang OPM artist.
Hey!
Diba?
Why not? Galing mo dun, Gwen.
Yes, of course. Yun yung goal.
Galing ni Gwenny dun.
Para makanood din.
I know. I say this with all humility. Handa na ba kayo umuwi? Because it's gonna be
Hataw sa work? Dapat hataw rin sa life. Get set, stay!
Handa na tayong umuwi.
I hope it's a good...
Wait lang, may kwento lang po ako. Sorry po. Kasi kanina, nakakakilabot siya kasi pabalik po kami galing.
Kumana ko sa'yo dito kasi ano? Tapos na namin po ako. Kasi Nag-text sila, yun yung kailangan ni Demo.
Ano?
Ano nang ibakan? Magpupumute kami niyan yan.
O, hindi kasi.
Kaya,
Kailangan, wala kasi tayong may raman na iba.
sino ang,
Parang driver.
sino ang sakay mo?
E di si Mama, si Alma, si Amira, si Jello. Tas si Zai.
Asay.
Oo. Yun.
Yan yung commute lang namin.
Sige. E di, anong oras ka po bukas?
Pag early morning kami, sasama namin yan din mga 9 reals.
Ah, okay. Kasama ba si Jello?
Sa church.
Ah,
Yung ba doon, hindi na
Ah.
sa gising.
okay. Pag di nagising, basta 8. Alis kami. Mainit pag tinanghali.
Sabihin mo, kasabi ko.
Mm-mm.
Sabi nila sa Sinan, basta wala kami gising sa'yo.
Sige.
Tulog ka maaga. Yan, gising lang yung alas. Hindi na pinansihin ka naman yan. Kahit na inaano mo yung paa niya.
Sige.
Na, ay, yung talay mo kami yan. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Ang dami pamulog-mulog pa ng candy. Dami candy. Lutuhan kita mamaya. Pero iba yung dating ko na lang kaya yung bisa namin ba? Iba namin.
Mm-mm.
Nagaling sa linggo ba? Kami mahirapan.
Sige.
Kasi kuya yan.
Oo, tama.
Nadami yung kakulog-kulog ng puto yung candy ah.
Sa taas.
Galing Mojave Stage. Tapos, sa artist compound po, edi syempre, ang titingkad naman kasi talaga ng suot namin. Tapos ang dami po kasi tao sa labas. So habang naglalakad po kami, edi syempre, sobrang pagod na kami, ganun. Tapos parang nagbubulungan sila. Tapos parang,
Yeah,
tapos yung iba, congrats! So, you did so great!
No videos, please. No videos.
Alin?
Yung yung parang may marshal or sa security. No videos, please. Video sila.
Yun!
Di ba? Wala
kami. Sabi ni Joanna kanina habang kasi tinitignan na rin namin isa, parang anong nangyayari? Sabi niya, guys, may nagbago ba sa atin? Bakit lahat binabati kami? Literally, lahat ng mga tao dito sa artist compound. Cheer kami na parang, guys, congrats girls, you did well, mga ganun.
Una sa lahat, dalawa na trailer.
Yes! Kasi yung unang trailer namin, ang sikip guys. Parang,
But kahit ano, we're going to
Sobrang blessed po.
Blessed.
Grateful. Sobrang grateful po kami. Sobrang blessed. Kasi yun nga po parang, ay, kahit pa namin mag-upgrade, mag-upgrade po. And then, yung mga blessings din, syempre po, sobrang nakaka-inspire lalo na mag-push pa, opo. And parang maisip mo nga na, so, there's gonna be more pa to come. So, parang wala pa to. This is the start pa.
Wow. Jo, anong tanong mo kay Direk Lauren?
direct sumikat po ba tayo? Sabi ko,
Di ba parang something really shifted?
Opo.
Tama kayo.
Sa artist compound lang. Sa artist compound lang.
Okay, pero okay, I'll go back to my question. Ready na ba kayo to go home because it's gonna be different?
Planado.
I
Actually,
hope it's a good difference.
It is a
Opo,
good difference.
nakapag-book na rin siya na.
Yes, it's a good kind of difference. Kasi talagang meron na kayong Senate resolution ni Senator
Wow!
commending and congratulating you. Sold out ang Signals concert.
See you there.
Plus, may mga bagong pasok na projects na hindi pa po namin pwedeng sabihin na pumasok lang ngayon. Like, ngayon lang, kahapon lang siya pumasok. So, parang,
Date ng advice nila na, ano yun, yung kailangan bag o ibigay may ano?
Ha?
Mga bag daw. Tapos sabi ni Joy, may bag.
Bag?
Oo. Kaya, bumili ako ng, umana lang ako sa Unita.
Mga school supplies?
Hindi.
Bag?
Bag na, parang 6-7 flowers, mga gano'n siguro. 7 bags, ano. Basta bag eh. Binigay ko para, siguro, itong, tingnan ko yun. Hindi ko lang na eh.
Good luck po sa schedule, mother.
Siguro last na lang, mensahe sa mga Pilipino. I will not just say things, but sa mga Pilipino. Who rallied behind all of you.
Kami kaya ayaw kami mag-swimming. Nung na lang kami sa ano, bahay nila. Ayun, doon kayo sa bahay na mo.
Ay, yung ganyan?
Ewan ko, ito, hindi naman siguro bag na ano yan. Ito lang bag. Kasi kung bag is, kusok na kami.
Oo.
Pwede na.
Sige.
Sa Coachella.
Paano ko siya sisimulan? Sobrang grateful kami and overwhelmed talaga kasi hindi rin naman namin in-expect na ganun nila kami susuportan. Yung mga taong
Hindi ata.
unexpected na makikita namin sa social media na magpo-post. Sila yung talagang, kahit mga artista, alam mo yun, may mga bata, kaming mga supporters na umiiyak, yung mga LGBTQIA community na sobrang supportive din sa amin, na para bang Miss Universe yung nilabanan namin. Sobrang, overwhelming kasi pumunta lang naman kami dito, bit-bit lang naman namin yung talent namin. Wala kaming ina-expect talaga na anything. Pero nung pag-uwi namin, parang grabe, binuhusan talaga kami ng blessings ni Lord. Ayun, hindi naman namin ito magagawa without the support of our fellow Filipinos po. Thank you. Plus, of course, ang daming nangyayari ngayon. Siguro, hindi namin siya sobrang feel kasi even the bosses ng ABS, ayaw nilang ipa-feel sa amin yung weight na dinadala nila ngayon, lalo na yung pinagdadaanan ng ABS, kasi ayaw nilang maapektuhan yung performance namin. Pero please know na itong performance na to, bukod sa supporters namin and sa Philippines, naalay namin to sa ABS-CBN family namin. So hopefully kahit konti mabawasan yung pain, yung bigat na nafe-feel nila through our performances.
Maraming salamat!
Thank you po!
Amazing. So that's it for the interview. So ang daming nangyari doon sa interview. Umiyak si Mika. Ay, nako. Pero I like na yung mga susunod nilang projects. Susunod nilang mga concerts and invitations and endorsement. So, because all of that because of Coachella. So, I hope you enjoy that interview. You can watch it on ABS-CBN and sa mismong channel ng kung saan merong available. So, yun lang, Blooms. I hope you enjoy this and see you on my next reaction video. Bye!